In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Amazon search results into a spreadsheet using import from web. Let's walk through the exact process step by step in a clear and simple way so you can follow along and get a clean list of product titles from a search results page. First, open Amazon in your browser. On the site, use the search bar to look up the product you're interested in. This should take you to a results page showing multiple items. Make sure you're on that results page and not on a single product's detail page. Once you see the list of results, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. That link represents the search you just performed. Now switch to your spreadsheet. I'll reference specific cells to make things easy. In cell A1, paste the Amazon search URL you just copied. This gives the spreadsheet a page to pull data from. In cell A2, type /H2. That's a simple selector that targets the main product title blocks on Amazon's search pages. Think of it as telling the tool, look for the H2 elements that hold product names. Next, in cell A3, type import from web A1, A2. This formula instructs the tool to fetch content from the web address in A1 and extract the elements specified by A2. Double check that there are no extra spaces and that you've included the equal sign at the beginning. Press enter. The tool will begin fetching the data. It can take a moment, so be patient while it loads. Once it finishes, you should see a list of product titles populate below the formula. If your sheet returns blank cells or an error, confirm that A1 contains the search results URL and that A2 exactly reads H2. Also ensure you already have the import from web function available in your spreadsheet environment. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Use a fresh sheet so your results don't collide with other data, and avoid editing the cells where data is loading until the process completes. If you want to refine what appears later, remember that H2 focuses on the headline blocks, which are typically the product names on the results page. For now, sticking with the selector is a reliable way to pull a straightforward list. That's it. You've gone to Amazon, run a search, copied the results link, placed it in A1, entered H2 and A2, added the import from web A1, A2 formula. In A3, pressed enter, waited for it to load, and now you can see your list of products in the